Butter bunnies, yeah! It's another what? Little penguin refrigerator. Chick-a-letta got a new toy. Oh, well, look at that food. That looks delicious. Hey, it's Peppa the Pig and baby Skye. Chick-a-letta. Okay, we'll open it. We'll open it, Chick-a-letta. Beautiful colors. What a neat refrigerator. You're gonna love this, Chick-a-letta. Has an ice maker. Look at that big drawer. Peppa loves it. That food looks tasty. That makes me hungry. Okay, we'll open it, Chick-a-letta. That one? Open it. Take them out. Fish, vegetables, a cup, there's eggs. Look at that ice. Cool. Look at that ice. Whoop. Thanks, Chick-a-letta. You're a big helper. Open her up. Let's put that ice in the ice maker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whoop. Put them in. Load the ice maker. Whoop. Won't go in. Too much ice. Chick-a-letta. Eggs. Throw the eggs in. What a cool cup. Fits right there in the ice dispenser. Fish. Some sort of meat, I think. Vegetables. Eat your vegetables. They are good for you. Look at that cool penguin. Hey, what is it, Chick-a-letta? Oh, you want to open that? Okay. Wow. Ice cream cone with a little chocolate. Yum. Ketchup. Soda. Milk. You must drink your milk with the polar bear. Apple juice. Grape juice. Strawberry juice. Soda. Melon juice. Pineapple juice. Butter. Fox butter. Ice cream! Chick-a-letta loves ice cream! Okay, Chick-a-letta, we'll have some ice cream in just a minute. Orange juice. Cookie ice cream, yum! Strawberry ice cream, even better. Cool knife. It's a play knife that you can use to cut up the fruit tart. Cut. How cool. That's neat. Look at all that food. Makes me hungry. Oh, look who's in their high chair. Look who wants to be a baby. Baby Chick-a-letta is ready to eat. Okay, Chick-a-letta, we'll put the food in the freezer in the refrigerator. Put the ice cream up, the soda up. Whoop, too big. Perfect. Fits perfect. Put the butter up. Butter bunnies. Juice. More juice. Wow, ice cream. Yum. Hand me that ice cream. I'll be eating oat milk. Grape juice. Catch 'em up. Juice. Soda. More juice. Whoop, doesn't fit. What do? Dropped it. Here, right there. Hey, put some ice in that cup. Chick-a-letta's thirsty. What do you want, Chick-a-letta? What do you want to drink? Juice or soda? Milk? Soda! Cool. I'm gonna drink it all. Close the door. Whoa! With some ice cream? I know you do. Here you go. Peppa, you want some ice cream? This is a lot of fun. I love that new refrigerator. Awesome toy. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. Please. Please hit the subscribe button. Check thumbs up if you like the video. Tell us in the comments what you want us to make. Butter Bunny!